The YAML file. That could have kept Claude in its cage, Cilium, from zero. One line, Cilium is an open source Kubernetes networking, plus observability, plus security stack built on eBPF, originally by Isovalent. Now Cisco, CNCF Graduated, October 2023. The problem it solves, default Kubernetes networking, is iptables plus network policy. iptables scales badly. Network policy is CIDR-only. You cannot say no egress except api.openai.com, not in the default. How Cilium wins. eBPF dataplane replaces iptables. Custom CRDs add FQDN-based egress, plus L7 HTTP rules, plus identity-based policy. You can finally say no egress, except this hostname. 3 components, Cilium agent, 1 per node, loads the eBPF programs, operator, cluster-wide state, CLI, Cilium plus Hubble, runs anywhere. What else it does? Layer 347 policy enforcement, service load balancing, kube proxy replacement, transparent encryption, WireGuard or IPsec, egress gateway, service mesh, plus observability via Hubble. Who ships it? Google, GKE Autopilot, default CNI, AWS, EKS recommended CNI, Azure, AKS built-in option, Datadog, Adobe, Bell Labs, Palantir, Meta. If you run Kubernetes at scale, you probably run Cilium. The family, Hubble, Cilium's observability layer, every flow visible, Tetragon, runtime security via eBPF, same team, same tech, different layer, Isovalent enterprise, commercial support tier. Ties to today's story. EP82, the Anthropic disclosure, a misconfigured eval environment, had unintended internet egress, a single Cilium cluster-wide network policy, with FQDN-based denies, would have kept Claude's eval pod off the public internet, one YAML file, between contained and confirmed. The whole model, kernel-level dataplane, eBPF, declarative policy, YAML CRDs, identity-based, not IP-based, because pods come and go. Identities stay, that's the model. 3 pillars underlying Kubernetes networking in 2026. Recap. 3 components, agent, operator, CLI, 1 eBPF dataplane, 1 CRD family, that's Cilium. Default CNI on major cloud Kubernetes offerings. Already in your production stack. Probably. Follow honest tech takes every day.